Why do fundamental rights matter? What role do they play in shaping a society? Fundamental rights are the cornerstone of any democratic society, providing the basis for freedom, justice, and peace. They are the safeguards that protect individuals from any form of discrimination and oppression. Today, we delve into the Constitution of Bangladesh, exploring the 18 fundamental rights that it guarantees to its citizens and residents. The Constitution of Bangladesh, in its Part 3, enshrines a set of civil and political rights, placing them beyond the reach of executive and legislative authorities to violate. These rights are protected under Articles 26 to 47A, ensuring their judicial enforceability. Firstly, a set of rights are guaranteed to all persons living in the territory of Bangladesh, regardless of their citizenship. These include the protection of the right to life and personal liberty, safeguards concerning arrest and detention, prohibition of forced labor, protection in respect of trial and punishment, freedom of religion, and the enforcement of fundamental rights. Then, there are rights exclusively guaranteed for the citizens of Bangladesh. These include equality before the law, non-discrimination on grounds of religion, equality of opportunity in public employment, prohibition of foreign titles, the right to protection of law, freedom of movement, freedom of assembly, freedom of association, freedom of thought and conscience and of speech, freedom of profession or occupation, rights to property, and protection of home and correspondence. All these rights are enforced under Article 44 of the Constitution through the writ jurisdiction of the High Court Division of the Supreme Court of Bangladesh under Article 102. However, it's vital to understand that these rights are not absolute. Some of them are subject to certain restrictions. For instance, the rights under Articles 27, 28, 29, 30, 33, 34, and 35 are absolute, meaning Parliament cannot impose any limitations over the enjoyment of these rights except as provided in the Constitution. But rights under Articles 36, 37, 38, 41, and 43 can be subject to reasonable restrictions imposed by the Parliament as prescribed in the Constitution itself. These restrictions can be imposed on grounds such as the public interest, public order, public health, public morality, the security of the state, friendly relations with foreign states, decency, or in relation to contempt of court, defamation, or incitement to an offense. In addition to the constitutional framework, institutional mechanisms such as the National Human Rights Commission of Bangladesh, Bangladesh Law Commission, Anti-Corruption Commission, and Information Commission also work tirelessly to ensure that these human rights are protected. In summary, the Constitution of Bangladesh enshrines 18 fundamental rights, protecting both citizens and residents from discrimination and oppression. However, these rights are not absolute and can be subject to certain restrictions for the greater good of society. The enforcement and protection of these rights are guaranteed through both the Constitution and various institutional mechanisms. As we move forward, it's crucial to remember that these rights are more than just words on paper. They are the pillars of our society, ensuring freedom, justice, and peace. They are the safeguards that allow us to live with dignity and respect. And that's why fundamental rights matter.